Hello, welcome to Dapp Mentors channel. My name is Darlington Gospel, and we've been doing this. If you're new to the channel, you're welcome. I'm really glad to have you here, and you're in huge luck. To be frank with you, we're actually going to be doing something really huge. That is part of the announcement that I'm actually making right now. Okay, if you're a returning viewer, I really appreciate you. Welcome back, and this is Dapp Mentors, and we are on the verge of releasing quite a whole lot of things here on this channel. First, we'll have a 4-module courses that we're releasing, which are going to be free here on this channel, and they're all centered on building various decentralized applications with different use cases on the blockchain that is going to be quite important to you, quite instrumental in your development career and as you mature in your blockchain skills. Okay, so with that said, we're actually attaching these free tutorials, okay, with some giveaways, okay, and these giveaways, they range from books to subscription, like 1 to 3 months subscription to all our courses currently on our Dapp Mentors Academy. So for people that are going to be participants of this challenge, this is Bitfinity challenge, because we're working with the Bitfinity network and we're doing a lot of testing. There will be forms for you to submit, to showcase what you did, and for you to that will be your entry way for you to get into the prizes that we are dishing out on this channel. So please, if you're ready for this, you better be ready, because you're gonna get something. And the challenges are not that difficult, they're just very simple stuff. And after I've just finished talking with you right now, I'm going to be releasing some instructions. There are about 3 phases of this particular challenge. So the first, the second and the third challenge, I'm going to release the instructions for each one of them and the appropriate links for you to submit a proof of what you did, for you to then get the free prizes that we have available for you. So this is just how it works. So, and I also want to take this opportunity to let you see, I'm sure you must be saying that our video has a better quality than what we previously had been releasing, because we've done a total overhauling of our channel and our studio, so we have better quality camera, better mic, everything is at a higher level. So we kind of invested quite a lot on this, and it's because because of people like you and people that support the channel through their subscription, to our academy, to their subscription to the, that red button on YouTube right here, and your encouragement and all of that had helped us to get to this particular, level. Of course, God is involved massively on this. So that's why we've come to the point where we have all this, and we have this challenge being made available for you. So get ready for that. And to give you even a snapshot and a little glimpse of what is coming on, a little information is that we're also revamping our entire website, to utilize more of a decentralized space rather than a centralized storage infrastructures. So we're doing that, and that is coming on early next year, which is about February, March or so. We make that available, and it's going to be like a high level, total different level altogether. So these are the things that are coming on this channel, and you better be ready for all the exciting things. So my name is Darlington Gospel, and I will see you in the set of instructions that you need to participate in this prizes and giveaways of Bitfinity challenge. All right, I'll see you in the next video.